Hello everyone, this is Sheila back again, third time today. I've been asked if I would do a tutorial on this stitch for, it was Dotty Dolly who asked me. She's Lisa actually, that's Dotty Dolly's her name that she calls herself. So this is for you, Lisa. I'm going to show you how to do this stitch. It's very easy. Like I said, it's just double crochet if you're in the United Kingdom, single crochet if you're in the United States, Canada and a lot of other countries. But it's just, I'll blow it up so you can see better. And as you can see, that's the first stitch there. We're missing that stitch and going on to the second stitch. And we're doing a double crochet into that stitch and then a second double crochet into that same stitch. So you miss the next stitch there and go into the next one after that. So it's every alternate stitch you're doing this into, putting 2 double crochet into that stitch. Missing the next stitch, going into the next one. Missing the next stitch, going into the next one. 2 more double crochet. I have to get some wool off, it's getting a bit tight here. Oops, I'm losing my hook. So we're missing the next stitch, going on to the next one. 2 double crochet into that stitch. Miss the next one and go into the next one. So it's every alternate stitch we're doing this 2 double crochet into. It makes a nice stitch actually. I just thought about doing it today, just thinking of something different. It's probably a well-known stitch. I'm just mucking about myself and trying different things. And I tried this and I liked what it looked like. It has a sort of, when you look at it, it's sort of like a flower effect. And always looking for something different to do for the likes of these little pouches, where we don't want, preferably I wouldn't want to do like granny squares where you get great big holes in the middle of them. I do not like granny squares at all for that reason. They're full of holes. We're nearly coming to the end. Miss one into the next one twice. Miss one into the next one. Miss one into the next one. And you're going to miss that one near the end and go into the one stuck on the very end of the row there. It's a little bit difficult to get into that one. So that's how you do that stitch. It's a very simple stitch, there's nothing to it. And it's just one stitch, every row is the same. So I hope that's easy for anyone that wants to do it, especially for Lisa. So give a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Bye for now.